Начали?
Good morning, guys. Yaakov, day 1 of our cooking show. Now, inside yourself, right? Yourself. That does not mean the outer part of you, right? The outer part of you. You must understand that your body is your temple. Now I am heating. Now this grill is not an average grill. We teach you on how to cure it. There's no oil right now. And in the morning, sometimes you feel like I need to pick me up. Sometimes you don't want to eat. What I have here is some fresh grapefruit. I'm gonna put, and an apple, I'm gonna put it on the grill. Now, you gotta wash it, and it's just grapefruit and apples. This is gonna be beautiful to you. Feeling good. And as that starts to cook, I start to allow that sizzle to move. And I'm just waiting, guys. I'm listening. Now I'm going to take some cinnamon. Because cinnamon's good for you. We'll get into that. I'm going to take some nice cinnamon. I'm going to drop it all over. I'm not going to be shy with the cinnamon, okay? That's something that I already start smelling an aroma that will fill your kitchen so nice. Now I have nutmeg. Now I'm going to take the nutmeg. Now, if you're diabetic or anything of that sort, or on any types of medicine, follow with your doctor directly, okay? Now it's really getting a nice burn. Now I'm going to turn it. See, that's what I'm doing. Because when I turn it, see, I don't want it to get too burnt. And that's because we don't have any oil here. So you might see a little sticking of the spice. But that's okay. I have flaxseed. Flaxseed is great for you. We're going to discuss this. We're going to have everything on our site. A little bit of flaxseed. Now I take the flaxseed, put it on. That's going to help you with a lot of things. Now if you're diabetic, remember, if you can eat an apple, maybe you would only eat 2 little pieces of the apple. Maybe a piece of grapefruit. But some medicines, if you are on them, you can't eat grapefruit. Okay, that's very important for you to know. Also, you want to make sure that you flush your body with good water, exercise. So we're almost done. Oh wow, that smell is so beautiful. Now, if you want any sort of sugar, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to add stevia. If you want, you can add stevia. You're going to put this in the freezer, and then you're going to take 1 or a half a teaspoon of honey. If you're diabetic, watch the honey. It needs to be very natural honey, maybe a drop or. So if you want something to sweeten it, you can put stevia and a drop of honey. You turn around and you put it in the freezer, let it cool for 25 minutes, then you take it out. It's a nice eating. This is a snack, not just for breakfast. This is something in case you're hungry instead of eating garbage. Many blessings, guys. Remember, your body is your vessel. Stay fit, eat right, and understand that you are a wonderful person.
Начали?